NERV is showing an immense amount of strength within a longer term bullish trend, up 258 points, roughly 260%. Intraday high in this session, $12.46. Yeah, let's see what's going on. Yeah, the stock is also trending after news of a significant new funding up to $200 million. Reignited optimism around its late stage schizophrenia drug candidate, roluperidone. The additional capital is a crucial step. Is seen as a crucial step in supporting regulatory efforts and advancing the company's path toward FDA approval. This development has sparked heightened activity among retail traders and biotech investors who view the funding as both a lifeline and a validation of the company's long-term prospects. Discussions across investor communities are increasingly focused on the company's low float and potential for explosive, yeah, the prevailing explosion we're looking at right now, especially if momentum continues to build, stacking on top of what we already have right now. Many are drawing parallels to previous biotech breakouts, such as RGC, SPRB, and QMMM, all of which experienced sharp rallies following positive catalyst and short squeeze setups. The bullish sentiment is notably strong, with technical traders identifying key resistance zones that could trigger a major upside breakout. The optimism is driven by both speculative momentum and genuine belief in the commercial potential of roluperidone, which aims to address the unmet medical need of treating negative symptoms of schizophrenia, an area where existing drugs often fall short. Overall, NERV is emerging as one of the most watched small cap biotech stocks, with growing chatter suggesting it could see a substantial volatility and upside if regulatory milestones align with investor expectations. Yeah, okay. Higher prices are expected to remain in place up to the close of today's trading session. Then after that, we may have an accumulative contraction. Just higher prices, but not with this sort of trajectory. That's what it's just saying, as you can clearly see. But a contraction is extrapolated coming from Wednesday the 29th. Okay, nothing further to the upside, but we have 12.46. So given this, we could try and project further. We can try and project further if we don't find anything beyond 12.46 on the single minute charts. We can begin with some of these charts. Well, we can even go back to the daily chart and see if we can see anything there. Okay, so higher prices are expected to remain in place on the daily chart up till the 3rd of November. Okay, so right now we are actually looking for higher projections or previous upper projections. We could just go back and have a look at its monthly chart. Okay, yeah, it has yeah, really ambitious projections, but let's see what we have here. We have 22.88. Okay, we can take that 22.88. Yeah, before then we had as high as I think these are really ambitious, but never say never. 104.12, 138.36, 159.52. Okay, these were in play as of 2021. Yeah, okay, never say never. Much closer to 22.88 is 50.20. Even much closer to where it is right now, we have 15.29. There's also 97.27. Okay, 122.18, 135.46, 135.56. Okay, so we could, yeah, even there's 13.38, 18.05, 20.94. I think we can make do with them with these projections, but nevertheless, let's still have a look at these minute charts. You never know what they're going to project here. So we have 10.82, 10.33, 11.11. Mind you, we already have 12.46. Okay, there's also there are downward projections as well: 6.86, 7.43, 8.37. Okay, we've seen those already. 11.80. Let's see what we have here. 14. We have 13.01, 14.15. Yeah, I think they're all aligning. They're all coming up. Covering up the gaps in the projections, but there are gaps above $50. Nothing. I mean, in terms of projections, yeah, 10.86. Here we have, yeah, we've seen those already. 13.01, 14.15. Let's look at the 3 minute chart. Yeah, we've seen 11.65, 13.57, 14.76. 5 minute chart. Let's see what we have. Yeah, we've seen those already. Yeah, let's see how I've, yeah. Remember, it's a low float stock. I expect to see some volatility here. Yeah, very, very active. See crazy. See how crazy it is here. And the market looks liquid because you can see orders are going through at various prices. You can see that these, let's see whether this is going to go through. It's, yeah, they're all going through at various prices on both sides of the aisle. Yeah, it looks liquid, highly volatile and still liquid. Usually not. It's usually volatile and illiquid. Aggression and aggressive trading and passive trading, all mixed up here. Everybody has a chance. Everybody can find their can discover the price they are keen on. Yeah, look at that. People are selling. I think the sell side is massive. Yeah, people are finding they're discovering their prices here. Let's see what they're expecting to get out of this in terms of higher prices. So yeah, 10.79, 10.80, not a huge premium to current levels, but even at that, that shows you some optimism. 11.08, 11.1, 11.15. It's a low float stock, so you can't fault them for expecting high prices. Yeah, 11.66, 11.71, 11.94. Okay, yeah. So that's what's going on right now. Very highly volatile NERV. So yeah, just see what you make of the stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.